Hey guys, today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to use Xpress Magic. Xpress Magic opens up your thermal screens. It allows more ink to go through a lot easier. I would recommend it if you're using white ink or max opaque inks or inks that have a thick consistency. Alright, to get started, you're going to need your Xpress Magic and some microfiber cloths. You can buy them at Walmart or Amazon. And I'm going to take 3 cloths. I'm going to have a wet one, a dry one, and the one I'm going to use the Xpress Magic with. So now I'm going to take my cloth and apply the Xpress Magic. And then I'm going to turn over my screen to the mesh side and apply it all over the image. And now I'm going to take my wet cloth and rub off the Xpress Magic on both sides. And now with a dry cloth, I'm going to dry both sides. Okay, and now it's ready to load onto your press, and now you're ready to screen print. And as you can see, I only applied Xpress Magic to one of the images so that you're able to see the difference between the one that has Xpress Magic and the one that doesn't. And I'm using white ink because that's the hardest ink to print with, but Xpress Magic makes it a lot easier. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any suggestions of videos you would like to watch next, please leave a comment below.